Hello Traders Kingdom. Can you guys hear me? Today is 17th of April. Hello SL Music covers. I'll be right back in 1 minute. Guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX. Alright, we're back, and let's see. Let's wait till we have about 70 to 100 people on the live stream. On my list, I have USDCHF, EURUSD, AUDUSD, GBPJPY, EUROJPY, USDJPY, and then gold. Hello Traders Kingdom, hello SL Music Covers, hello Julius Mwangi, hello Solomon. So yeah, let's wait till we have more people on the live stream, 70 to 100 people. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, click on notification bells on, and we'll be right back. How was your weekend, by the way, guys? Hello trades like Yago, hello Abish Bomik. Someone says, did the free signal start yet? No, the free signals haven't started yet. We're still waiting for more people to join. You know, when it's time to take things serious, that's when you know who is serious or who just wants to waste your time. So yes, I'm still going to give the free signals, but it hasn't started yet. So yeah, let's wait till there are more people on the live stream. 14 people right now. We're waiting till we have at least 70 to 100 people, and then we'll begin. For now, write whatever pairs you want analysis on. I have on my list I have USDCHF, EURUSD, AEDUSD, GBPJPY, EUROJPY, USDJPY, and then gold. So let's wait till there are 70 to 100 people on the live stream, and then we'll begin. You know how we go with the pairs, guys. Guys, be ready today. Whenever we are about to do analysis on a pair, type as many comments as possible. If you can type it 50 times, 100 times, 1,000 times, it will help the channel, and the more the channel grows, the more free live streams I'll be doing. I'm trying to do at least 3 a week right now. It can usually be from Monday, Wednesday to Friday, but it can be random. So that's the thing. If we can get the people to comment, like, most importantly, comment, right? You can just copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy. Even if you ask a question, copy paste it like 5-10 times. You know, I don't care. Let's grow the channel. Let's get it to 300 to 400 live viewers here, and yeah, we'll have more free live stream, more scalping, more everything. You know, we'll be doing live scalp trades, live swing trades, and I already do live swing trades. Just that most of you guys don't even catch the entries because, you know, I don't announce when I'm giving the entries. But yeah, let's get it up, guys, and we'll have more to benefit from the channel. We'll be right back, and we'll start in 2 minutes. But guys, if you have any pairs you want, like I said, the pairs on my list are USDCHF, EURUSD, AEDUSD, GBPJPY, EUROJPY, USDJPY, and gold. If you come later in the live stream and start asking for pairs when we've already started, you'll have to wait till the next live stream. So we'll start in 2 minutes, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. You know how we do it. Gold is last. We'll start with USDCHF. Let's go to USDCHF. USDCHF. Last time on USDCHF, we didn't really have any signal on it, any good signal. We said to take a sell around here would be good. It could go all the way to 0.88. But I didn't really see it as a good entry. Yeah, the risk to reward ratio for everything was just so bad. But yeah, guys, type USD. I almost forgot. Guys, type USDCHF in the comments. Type as many USDCHF as you can. Then we'll begin the analysis on USDCHF. Let's go. No, not likes. You don't need to type likes. Just type USDCHF or just UC USD CHF USDCHF or UC. And yes, the more you type it, the faster we get to your pair that you want. Or maybe today I just want to do a quick live stream. But yeah, let's see. Hello, Minele Mandakain. So yeah, there is an opportunity for a sell on USDCHF. Not really a great risk to reward ratio, just like, let's just say 2.5. You are risking a lot, about 30 something pips for about 90 pips, you know, not that great. But it has to break this low of around 0.892, you know, before the end of New York session. If not, it might go all the way and go long, okay? But there's a very high probability that the market will continue to go short. If it can go as low as 0.885, at least for today, just for today, that would be possible. But we really need to break this 0.892 for it to have this chance of continuing short. Yeah. So if it gets to this point and it's still struggling, you might just want to close the trade in some profit or close it in half profit, just to make sure that you take some money from the market, even if it can't break this low. All right, what's next on our list? Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Euro USD. Someone says, and I am late, please add GU and GJ if it's not already added. GJ is added, but GU will add it in the next live stream. Euro US. For now, type Euro USD. 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 USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. All right, let's go. That was fun. Euro USD, baby. All right, Euro USD. Remember, we talked about the buy around here. If you took the buy, you were lucky. Then we got into the next day and we had this high at this point, right? And I say it was possible to take a buy for around 5-to-1 ratio trade. It was less than 18 pips trade. And I said if it can't break this point, which it didn't, that's most likely it's going to go short. So if you are holding this buy, I told you to take some profits, a lot of profits, and just close it or put it at break even or some profits. If we are here, I told you if it doesn't break this high, then it's most probably going to go short, but it was a tiny risk. So for now, let's see what can happen in the markets. Let me just put the pair on my software. So anybody that was still hoping on long after it didn't break this point, you see how far it went down. You know, that's why I told you guys to risk so small. Now, what are we on? Euro USD. So Euro USD is the issue right now is it's kind of consolidating around here. It's back again in this area. So you need to see a good breakout of this zone. Yeah. Now it's kind of looking bullish, right? It's possible to take a buy even now, all the way to 1.056 or 1.05, yeah, it's around here. So even if you enter around now, your exit will be the low of today. Yeah, low of today for a buy. The target around, let's say, yeah, 1.06. Your exit is the low of today. Yeah, boom. So it's risking less than 20 pips for about 80 pips. Risk to reward ratio is about 4-to-1. You know, but what is most important is that you need to break the high of today. So it's already even marked. You need to break the high of today, right? Because if it breaks this high of the day, and it has to do it within New York session, before the end of New York session, we need it to break the high of today. If not, it might just go back into consolidation in this area or break down all the way to, let's see, 1.09. Yeah, 1.09. But long-term view, I didn't get that many comments for Euro USD, so we won't do long-term view. Next time, if we want to do long-term view, we need more comments. So what's next on our list? Because it can still go way, yeah, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. Next live stream, if you want on Euro USD, then you make more comments. What's next on our list, guys? We have AUD USD, AUD USD. Where is AUD USD? AUD USD. Boom. All right, AUD USD. We took a sell around here. It pulled all the way back, and I said if it can't break this low during New York before the end of New York session, then we might see it go all the way. And I said you should close your trade if it doesn't break that low, which it didn't. Now it's broke this high, which was the breaking points, which was holding this consolidation area. This was just a false breakout, but if you were able to profit on it, like I said, then good for you. Now it broke this area and it went long. and then came back to this zone again. So we have to look at it on the software. Yeah, guys. No, gold. Someone says XAUUSD on my late. Yeah, we have to do AUDUSD, GBPJPY, EURUSDJPY, USDJPY, and then go to gold XAUUSD. Yeah, guys, type AUDUSD also. I don't have a song for AUDUSD, but if you can just type AUDUSD, and then we'll do the analysis. Yeah, I'm already doing the analysis. But anyway, AUDUSD. Yeah, AUDUSD is in the same situation as EURUSD, so kind of, because we have this some sort of consolidation here, but still is looking kind of bullish. I'll give it the same kind of trade scenario, 0.68 with EURUSD. Let's see which one will have more profit ratio. Replace your exit at the low of today. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, you're even risking less here. This trade is about 6 points. So this trade is actually better than the EURUSD trade, because this one is a almost 6.5 to 1 ratio trade. Target of around 95 pips. You are risking less than 15 pips. However, guys, we need price to break 0.6725 for us to be able to go for our final targets. If not, it's probably going to continue consolidation, maybe spike down. Who knows how low it can go. Let's see. If it spikes down, it can go as low as 0.66, right? So yeah, the risk is very little, risking less than 15 pips, profit potential of about 6.4 to 1 ratio. All right, GBPJPY. Let's type GBPJPY, GBPJPY, GBPJPY as many times as possible. GBPJPY, GBPJPY, GBPJPY as many times as possible in the comment section. Yeah. GJ. Someone says USDCHF. We've done USDCHF already. The same person again says EURUSD. We've done EURUSD already. Now DJ is a DJ. DJ is a DJ. Likes to play with DJ. Alright, so GBPJPY has been crazy. Just crazy. We've been between these two zones. Just crazy. I once said it was possible to take like a low risk trade, like a gamble, 50-50 gamble trade, but it's still consolidated in this area, right? For people, there are some people who, let me tell you what usually happens during this period. Some people who are just new to trading, they'll start scalping, buying, selling. So they will think that this is how to trade. And when GJ is ready, and they won't use a stop loss. And when GJ is ready for them, GJ will just spike all the way and mess up their whole account. So when there's consolidation, some people think they've become master traders. And they always repeat this mistake over and over and over. They don't know it's just a giant consolidation. So let's see what's possible. Okay. For now, I don't know. Unless you want to gamble, it's still kind of in a gamble, right? No real solid trades on it. Unless you want to just take like a sell you're in this consolidation area, you take a sell, you sell it up to here. Risk reward ratio is not even up to 2 to 1. It's still a gamble. I would need it to either break out of here, right, or break out of here. All these ones in the middle don't matter anymore. Or in this zone. Thank you, sound. So yeah, GJ is kind of boring because of this. Who knows why it's consolidating? Who knows? But if there's no trade worth it on GJ for now, unless you're scalping. EURUSD. Guys, let's type as many EURUSD in the comment section as possible. 10 times, 50 times, 1,000 times. The more times you type it, the better it is. Alright guys, alright. Let's type GBPJPY. Let's type GBPJPY. Let's type EURUSDJPY. Let's type EURUSDJPY. EJ. EURUSDJPY. EURUSDJPY, we were taking a buy from around here. We needed it to break this high before the end of New York session. It did, went all the way to take profits. I told some people they could still hold the trade, but we needed it to break this high around here, right? And some people, if they wanted to re-enter, they could enter around here. So if you entered, you were going for about 2 to 2.5 to 1 ratio trade, so good ratio, and now you should be floating in about 50 pips. So now let's have a long-term view of if you can still hold your trade, if you should move it to break even, if there's any re-entry point. EURUSDJPY, we can still see it go all the way to 148, right? 148, but we needed to break 147.75 for us to get to our final target. Now, should you move to break even, most definitely you can move to around 146.5 or higher to 146.7, and you can take half profit if you want, right? Now, is there any re-entry points? Re-entry. There's no re-entry right now that is worth it. There's no good risk to reward ratio on the re-entry, so we'll just have to move on to the next pair, which is USDJPY. After USDJPY, then we go to gold. USDJPY. The same person that asked for old pairs that we already did is still asking for AUD/USD. We already did AUD/USD. There was a good risk to reward ratio. We're risking less than 15 pips. We're risking about 14 pips. The risk to reward ratio was 6.5 to 1 ratio. Just rewind and go back and watch it. You came in late. For now, type UJ, alright, so that we can get to gold. USDJPY, 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 All right, let's begin on USDJPY. We took a sell on USDJPY. We needed it to badly break 132. It couldn't break 132, and I said, like I always say, if it can't break this price, then most likely it's going to turn all the way around. It broke this high that we're looking at, and now USDJPY is looking like it wants to continue to go long. But let's put it on the software. Let's get an analysis from there. USDJPY. Can look at 133 points. Right, guys. Okay, yeah. See, let's go back. Let's just check something very quickly. EURUSD, was analysis of EURUSD. You know, an AUD-USD. I was long on AUD-USD and EURUSD. It has good risk to reward ratio, but fundamentally speaking, I'm looking at dollar being strong, right? Which means most likely the market may go short. So if you are taking this EURUSD trade or AUD-USD trade, right, you should use a lower risk, and you should be very cautious that it breaks this point. It's very important it breaks this point during New York session. Okay, let's go and check EURUSD also. It's very important it breaks this point during New York session, before the end of New York session. If not, it may drop. So lower your lot size, use something with maybe less risk, right? Even though you are risking just a tiny amount of pips, just know that this is some kind of like a high risk trade. It's a high risk trade, right? But it's set up in a low risk method. Yeah, and this is what I teach also. Let's see, what else did we look at before that? We looked at USDCHF, right? USDCHF, same scenario. It must break this low, right? It must break this low. If it can't break this low, we might not see it continue to go down. This one has more of a risk, right? The risk to reward ratio is not that good, right? So this one most likely, you know, if you are trading it, you know, me personally, it's too low risk. The reward I'm getting is not that large for the risk I'm putting, right? You're putting over 30 pips risk, so high risk trade. Yeah, you know, I will give it like a 70% ratio, 70% confidence, 65 to 70%, yeah, on this USDCHF. Now, where were we? We looked at GBPJPY. We go back to USDCJPY, right? So USDCJPY also, like I said, if it breaks this zone, we will continue to see it go long. But it broke this zone, and what are we seeing? Weeks. It's like not really breaking this zone. So is this the market trying to fool us? This is what I'm trying to watch out for, right? This is what I'm trying to watch out for. It's possible to take a trade on this. However, it's possible to buy around 1.3. Yeah, it's possible to buy around 138.75. Yeah. If it continues to push down, 133.75. Exits around this lows. Let's say 133.6. Right? Or 133.61. Alright. Oh, I just want us to risk like, yeah, okay, 130.61. Yeah, let's risk like 15. Profit potential, where's the target? 135.16. Someone says EURUSD short. You should have come early. We already got the pairs that we wanted to do analysis on. So also looking at potentially getting in GBPJPY when favorable. I already explained GBPJPY. You just have to rewind. Did you like? Have you liked? Because it seems like you just joined and you know the like button hasn't gone up. Alright, so yeah, 133.14 or 1.5, 133. Wait, what am I saying? 135. I mean 135 points. Let's just say, should I say 25? Or even if it's 2, right? This is a 10-to-1 ratio trade. If you take it from here, right, you're risking about 15 pips. But if you want to enter now, your risk to reward ratio goes to around 3.3, right, to 1 ratio. You're now risking about almost 40 pips for 120 pips, basically 3-to-1 ratio. Is it worth it? I don't know. There are other better. The best trades I saw so far was AUD USD. That's just the thing. If I wanted to take USDJPY, max I'll enter around maybe 133.8. Yeah, because of the way the market is moving today. I have good setups, but I'm very skeptical of how it's going to play out. It's not giving me full confidence. It broke this point, but look at it, consolidating. It didn't do it confidently. Weeks. So the market may be trying to set up traps. That's why I said use lower risk, guys. But they are good entries anyway. Finally, we are in gold. Alright guys, it's time. It is time. XU, XAUUSD or gold. Let's type it. Let's type as many as we can. We are finally here. 1,000 times, 10,000 times, 1,000,000 times, 1,000,000,000 times. XAUUSD. Let's go, guys. Someone says, yeah, just joined like now, and we'll watch DJ now. Then you haven't gone over EURUSD. I haven't gone over EURUSD. It's too late, right? Next live stream, try to come in earlier. You see, what I usually do is I set up the live streams for, let's say, what time is it? Let me put it at London time, right? I set up the live streams for. I set up the live streams for 10:30 a.m. London time, right? But the live stream actually starts 11 a.m. London time. Every time you see an alert for a live stream, just know it is 11 a.m. London time will actually start, okay? So now you know the start time. I'll put it in the YouTube community area also. How many of you guys will go there to check it? Oh wait, because if I decide to start doing more live streams, I'll give a much better schedule. Because if I say every time it's 11 a.m. and I now start doing London and New York session, then the times will change. So like I said, guys, comment as many times as possible so that we can start having more live streams in a day. We can start having follow-up trades. We can start doing more live streams in a week, right, guys? As many comments as possible. Let's get this up to 300 to 400 live stream viewers. Okay, let's see, something is happening in the market. What is happening in the market? 80 cards. Let's see. Alright guys, let's type gold. Let's keep on typing gold, because as many, Alright guys, last but not least, let's do gold. We're in the same situation with gold as EURUSD. We took a buy, right? We got into this point. I said we needed to break this high in order to continue to get to our final point. We didn't break this high around here, and the markets went back into this consolidation area. I said, okay, now the last thing I can remember before I ended the live stream is we needed to see if it was going to break this high of this consolidation area or this low. It broke the low and dropped all the way to 1993. I remember when somebody was asking me during that live stream, why do I think it's going to drop all the way to 1993? And I said, if you recall, this is what my software told me. My software has done all the analysis. I just copy what the analysis that my software has done, and I'm coming to give it to you guys. I don't need to go into hours of analysis. My software does it in a second. The moment I put the chart on it, boom, it's done. And very soon it will be available on TradingView, hopefully before the end of this week. And yeah, you'll start seeing the analysis here. And yeah, it will be available for students also. And if you just want to get the software, you can just go to nlfxandcrypto.com or send me a message on WhatsApp or on Telegram. If you want to buy the course, during the course we'll be taking live trades. As you can see, I live stream my trades. I upload my videos of scalping, hedging, swing trading. I sometimes give the investors password so that you can also check it. I make withdrawals. I have students. I have live stream with my students. And they get the software with the course for free. If you want to buy the course, you can go to nlfxandcrypto.com. And I also do in person, right? So that means in person we'll meet, you'll learn, we'll take some live trades, scalping, swing trading, hedging, and yeah, for a full week. Let's see how it plays out. And this can be done in Dubai or anywhere, not anywhere in Europe, but like western part of Europe. So yeah, let's go. Gold has not really been given any, good entries, baby. Gold used to be my darling. Now gold is playing games with me. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm still expecting gold to keep on dropping all the way down to, let's say, 1975. But do I see an entry or even up to 1970? Do I see an entry now? Not really. Not really. Maybe if gold can go all the way up to, let's see, if it can go all the way up to 2030. Yeah, all these levels don't matter anymore. 2030. Let's see what we can do, guys. Let's see what damage we can do in the market. If gold can go all the way up to 2030. Let's see. Oof. 3-to-1 ratio trade. Oof. Ow! This is a very big risk. Most of you guys will not be able to take this risk. And that's not just the only issue. We actually need gold to get to 2030. So no, guys, there is not really any trade on gold for now. Yeah, and that'll be it for today. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll meet on the next live stream, which will most likely be on Wednesday. Or if anything crazy happens in the market on, if anything crazy happens in the market today, then tomorrow we might have another live stream. If not, Wednesday, 11 a.m. London time. Be there or be square. Like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead. If you want to buy the course, go to nfxandcrypto.com. If you want to join the free signal groups with scalping and swing trading, a private Telegram group, free for the next let's say 1, 2, 3 months, who knows how long. And yeah, join my broker, go to my recommended broker, go to Mugen Market, sign up, fund your account, and the entry to join the private Telegram group is you sending me a screenshot of your funded account, and then you'll be added. All right, so yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back in another stream, and we'll see what happened with today's trades. Guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, USDC, Ethereum, and many more, and the transactions are done in an